Hi, I don't know how this is going to turn out. It's the first time I've made it, but I didn't know if you would like to join me while I make a recipe out of the Vedge. Vedge is a really famous vegan restaurant. It gets accolades across the U.S. all the time. I believe it's in Philly, and one of these days this is where I want to go. The recipe I want to make in here is called roasted cauliflower with black vinegar and kimchi cream. I'm eliminating all of the oil that this recipe calls for. One of the kitchen tools that I'm using is I don't have room for an air fryer, but I do have room for these baking sheets that I really, really like a lot. Mine has the silicone bottom, so as you can see, they're nice and crispy brown. I haven't added any seasoning or anything to this. I'm gonna put it in my bowl. I'll post the recipe below so you can see the whole procedure. Here we go. And I'm going to toss this with a black vinegar. It's a black rice vinegar. There we go. And then this also has a sauce that goes with it. Okay, I'm going to put this back in the oven to keep it warm. So the sauce is made from vegan mayo, kimchi, and salt. Kimchi is normally made with dried fish or dried shrimp, and the vegan kimchi obviously isn't made with any kind of fish products. And a pinch of salt. So I'm going to put this in my grinder here. Excuse the noise. And this is going to be the base for my cauliflower. Here we go. Now, the recipe does not call for spinach, but I want to have some extra veggies with my lunch today. So I just got some raw spinach here. I'm going to give it a bit of a crunch there so that it all holds together. Get my cauliflower. Put some cream on here. I really like kimchi. I love the spice to it. It's got a great heat. And then my cauliflower on top. Now you can see how much space those oven trays took up, which isn't very much at all, so that really fits into my cupboard. And it eliminates a whole other appliance in my kitchen. And there we have it. Oven roasted cauliflower with a kimchi cream, and it's on a bed of spinach. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. My name's Jill.